Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to give Robux to friends on mobile. So, let's get started. First, ask your friend to open Roblox.com using a browser. This must be done outside the app. After signing in, they need to switch to the desktop version of the site. Now your friend needs to create a game pass. Tap Create, then choose Creations. Select your place, scroll down the side menu, and under the Monetization tab, click on Passes. Upload any image, give it a name, let's say Robux for you, and tap Create Pass. Next, return to the list of passes. Tap the one just created, then press the 3 lines and select Sales. Toggle the item for sale, then set the price, let's say 50 Robux. Save the changes and copy the Game Pass link. Log into your main account, open that link, and purchase the pass. The Robux will appear as pending in your friend's account and should be delivered in a few days. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.